Beautiful morning, Jomtien beach. Last day. It rained most of the time, but rain's okay sometimes. Not for beach, but this is all landfill. This wasn't here 7 years ago. I don't know when they put it in, but my hotel's over there. Jomptien is the one I like to stay at when I'm down here. And boy, has this place changed. I mean, this building right here, 18 million baht. Can you believe it? That's crazy. That's crazy money. I wouldn't even consider it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the little walk. I'm gonna have to look this up, but there's hella die-off of these dollars, sand dollar. Black ones though. In America they're white, but I don't know if that's because they bleach out or what, but it's a little stinky down here. I'm not sure why. I will research it and put it in the comments below. They're all the way even into the water. Thousands and thousands of them. Look at this. As far as you can see.